Want that deep, wet look shine without the hassle? Let Demon do the work. Demon Tyres is the effortless way to transform your tyres in seconds. Demon Tyres is a silicone-free tyre shine designed to deliver that rich, wet look finish fast. Its advanced hydrating formula doesn't just enhance the appearance, it helps protect the wall of the tyre, keeping your tyres looking newer for longer. And with its no white formula, it couldn't be easier. Just spray on and shine. Use Demon Tyres after washing your vehicle, before a show, or any time your tyres need a quick boost. Demon Tyres comes in 3 convenient options: a 1 litre ready-to-use spray bottle, a 5 litre refill bottle for long-term use, and a 5 litre refill with a Powerlance automatic sprayer bundle, ideal for faster, effortless application. Getting started is simple. Step 1, shake the bottle well. Step 2, apply liberally over the tyre wall. And step 3, allow it to dry fully before driving. No wiping, no mess, just instant shine. The result? A long-lasting wet look finish that seals in shine and protects against the elements. Crafted with expert precision, Demon Tyres delivers a superior tyre dressing experience every time. For best results, pair your tyre care with the right tools. Demon Wheels 1 litre spray for deep cleaned alloys, the Demon Alloy Wheel Brush for precision cleaning, the Demon Foam Snow Foam Gun for a thorough pre-wash, and a Demon Microfiber Drying Towel for a spotless finish. Start with a full clean, then finish with Demon Tyres and your car will stand out from any angle. Demon Tyres is just one part of the powerful Demon range, designed to make car care faster, easier and more effective. Demon Tyres, the full Demon range and all products featured in this video are available now at mymotorworld.com.